Lost my train of track. Okay, lost my train of thoughts. Anyways, okay. Hi, my name is Michaela. I'm the owner of Kayla's Craft Studio, and this is my first YouTube channel and video. So yeah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be.
Today I'll be introducing myself and introducing what I will be posting here on YouTube, and you know, a couple things about me, small things, yeah. And I do have a script over here, so if you see me looking over there, mind your business. Mind your business. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am the owner of Kayla's Craft Studio, and by the title, or you know, channel name, guess you can tell what I'll be doing. I'll be doing a little crafting for you guys, and you know, the ins and outs of being a small business owner. Yeah. Okay, so that I will be posting more often. I will be posting at least once a week. If you guys have any ideas, leave them down below. Yeah, that'd be very helpful. But yeah. Okay, so a little bit about myself. My name is Michaela, and I attend Virginia State University. I am a chemistry major. Not too much, I know. But anyways, I love it, and I feel like I'm doing great in it, and don't mind the background noises. Yeah. My dream job is to be a forensic scientist, or you know, in the forensics field, but I do have a passion for crafting. That's why I started my small business when I first moved here to Virginia. I'm from Georgia, by the way. I'm so bad at staying on track. Anyways, I'm an Aries. I don't know much about zodiac signs, so again, if you know anything, leave it down below. Let me know. Inform me. Why am I doing YouTube? Okay, to make it short and simple and cute, I'm doing YouTube because I have tried Reels, I've tried TikToks, and they're great sources, especially Reels on Instagram. Get at that. But I would like to expand my audience, so I decided to come on here and start recording videos and see where it takes me. Cause you know, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Things I'll be doing on YouTube. Really, I'm open to any suggestions, but as of now, I'm thinking of just showcasing my business, showcasing the things that I make, maybe showing you guys a couple of tricks that I use to make the items that I make. I'll be showing you guys some machines that I use and some products that I use, and hopefully I can help another small business grow, or you know, grow myself. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of what I'll be doing and how things will be going here on this account. But again, I am completely open to suggestions. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to, you know, do things that you guys are interested in. Yeah. But anyways, okay, time to say goodbye. See you guys in the next video. If you could subscribe, it'd be very nice. Leave a like, maybe comment below something cute, something nice, something sweet. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.
In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult.